My name is Steve Hoffman. I teach in the School of Transportation in the Aerospace Department, and I have been teaching for 3 years now. My research question asked, how do demonstration videos improve student success at circuit building? What I did was I created some custom videos that used the equipment that the students would be using themselves in the lab. And that gave them some hands-on video and demonstration of what they would be expected to do in the lab and how they could do it. That was shown to the students in class and also provided to them online so that they could view it at their own leisure. So what I found was a surprising conclusion actually, in that their marks did not seem to improve significantly. There was a very small percentage increase. However, the students, when they were surveyed, suggested that they really enjoyed the videos and found them beneficial and felt that they improved their understanding and their confidence in building the circuits. And that has shown to me that there's a need for having more of these videos in the classroom, and not just generic videos that don't really associate that well with our program. So having these customized ones, while a lot of work, it really added some benefit to the students, and moving forward I will try to incorporate more of those into my various classes that I teach. So the tools that I required to do this research really came from the Teaching and Learning in Higher Education 704 Action Research course. The program itself gave me those tools necessary and the skills I needed to do the research, and then by teaching here I had the opportunity within my classroom to go in and put those tools to use and see the benefits and come up with some conclusions. I have shared my research with various faculty within my department, and I've shared it with some of my students as well who were participants in my research.